So in this chapter, so we are going to learn the topic called population and depreciation. Okay. So population means what? So population means when the population is increasing. Suppose the population of Dharan is 1 lakh, it is not going to be 1 lakh next year. Okay. Population money, but जहिले बढ्छ कि घट्छ?
Balsa.
Population is going to increase or decrease?
Increase.
Increase. That's why if you see the formula, okay, so let me show you the formula over here. So population, in case of population, what we have written, the population will increase, that's why plus your name. Okay, so we need to write a plus. So this formula we have seen somewhere else. Compound amount
Yes.
formula याद गरौँ त compound amount equals to P bracket 1 plus R by 100 power T. We have seen this formula, isn't it? Okay, I think I will not have some difficulties while teaching this one because this is the third chapter. The polynomial chapter. Okay, so P1 equals to P0 bracket 1 plus R by 100 power. This is our formula. But if there is depreciation, depreciation means what? Depreciation भनेको suppose you have bought the motorbike. Okay, so हाम्रो उत्सवको एउटा bicycle छ. So त्यो bicycle when he has bought, so he has bought maybe in around अलिक बढाएर भनौँ होला. Okay, so he has bought that at 1 lakh rupees. Like that. Okay, so he has the bike. Okay, so when he has bought this bike, he has bought at the price of 1 lakh rupees. So will it be more after 2 years or it will be less after 2 years? तिमीले second hand किन्दा
This of the
रुपियाँमा किन्छ
yes.
कि थोरै रुपियाँमा किन्छ? Obviously you will buy at less price. थोरै प्राइसमा किन्छ. तेरो चलाइसकेको बाइक थोरै भइसकेको खाना घटा. Okay, so you will not buy more than 1 lakh rupees. You will get the discount. Okay, that discount is called depreciation. That's why instead of plus, what you will write a minus. Price घट्यो भनेको minus, price बढ्छ means plus. The same formula. P1, P1, P0, P0, 1, 1, R, R, divide by 100, power to power. Just the difference is plus, there is minus. Population बढ्छ, that's a plus. Population, so depreciation ले घटाउँछ. Okay, so depreciation ले price घटाउँछ, that's why it is minus. Okay, but sometime, listen है, यो एउटा नयाँ कुरो. But sometime population gets decreased. अहिले अमेरिकाको population 1,30,000 घटिसकेको छ. That means population is not increasing now. Population is decreasing. If the population पनि घट्दैछ है भरे, okay, if the population is decreasing भने नि instead of plus what we write?
Minus.
Minus. Okay, so just set this in the mind. If something is decreasing, minus. If something is increasing, plus. Increase plus, decrease minus. That is the general formula. Okay, so याद गरौँ त formula के हो? P1. Okay, अगाडि P1 बाट start हुन्छ. P1 equals to P0 bracket 1 plus R by 100 power T.
R by 100 power T.
Okay, this we have learned in compound amount already. So compound amount मा जे थियो त्यही formula नै पढ्दैछौँ हामी यता. Okay, no extra formula over here.
We happened in the
Okay, so P1 means what over here? So in case of population, it is not the price, it's a population.
Oh,
Okay, so population, this is after change. After change. After change, suppose the current population is 1 lakh. Okay, 1 lakh जना छ अरे. After 20 years कति हुन्छ त भने अरे. This was the population before change. 1 lakh हाल्दैछौँ. After 2 years, how much it will be? It is obviously going to be more. That means change भएपछि के हुन्छ? It is going to be P1. Okay, suppose 2060 छ. 2062. 2062. So which is going to be P1 and which one is going to be P0? P1 to the P0 to know. सुरुको population to know. 60 or 62? Which comes first, 60 or 62?
60.
That means it is going to be P0. Suruko population, initial population is called P0, and 62 means it is the population after change. Population का change भयो नि त. since population is increased, has already increased, that's why it is going to be P1, right? सुरुको लागि P0 पछि चेन्ज भइसकेको लागि P1. Yeah. So rate R is rate, T means time that we have already learned. So population में के हुँदो रहेछ त? Population भनेको जहिले बढ्ने हो. So P1 is going to be bigger. Okay, P1 ठुलो हुन्छ. P1 is greater. So let us go to the depreciation. The same thing. Okay. So instead of population, it is price now. अघिको उत्सवको बाइक जस्तै बाइसाइकल जस्तै. Okay, so we call it bike. Okay, so उत्सवको बाइक जस्तै. So यो चक्का like gear पनि भयो अरे. Okay, so this was 1 lakh rupees. So after some years, it is not going to be 1 lakh. It is going to be lesser than this one. Suppose 90,000 भयो अरे. Now tell me, which one is P0, which one is P1? 1 lakh is P0 or P1? सुरुको कुन हो? सुरुको
1
price.
lakh.
It is
1 lakh.
90,000 or 1 lakh?
1 lakh.
1 lakh. That means this is P what?
P0.
0.
P0.
Suruka price. This was the price what he has bought. Okay, this was the original price that what he has purchased. That is P0. Okay, and in जुन उसले बेच्नु आँटेको छ हो त्यो प्राइस के हो it is P1. P1 भन्नाले so the price after change. Okay, घटिसकेपछि कति बढ्यो त्यो प्राइस? Okay, so it is going to be P1, price after change. Correct? So furniture you may have bought. So furniture तिमीले 1 lakh, 2 lakh में किने अरे. But after 3 years or 4 years, the furniture you are not going to sell it in the same price. The depreciation हुन्छ त्यहाँ. Okay? अलिकति मक्केको हुन्छ, अलिकति कलर फेड भएको हुन्छ. So there are many changes going on. Okay? So अलिकति धमिराले खाएको हुन्छ. That's why you cannot sell it in the same price. अलिकति price बढ्छ. Okay? So some fixed assetहरूको प्राइसहरु पनि बढ्दै बढ्दै जान्छ. Correct? So that is the depreciation that you have learned in accounts also. Okay, so let me clear and let me go to the topic, that is numerical. Today class 10 they are really happy because there is no SE now. Okay, so class work 1 P0, it is a population chapter, right? So what is the formula of population? P1 equals to
P1 is
P0
equal
bracket 1
to
plus right?
P0
Population is
bracket
plus
1
R by 100 power T.
R by 100 power.
Okay, so simple, in the simple way I have given. So सीधै given बाट start गरेँ तर क्वेशनमा तिमीहरुको वर्डमा देख्नु हुन्छ. Order, first of all, let us solve this one. Okay, let us be sure पक्का in the given. So P0 is given, rate is given, time is given. P1 निकाल्नु अरे. Don't use other formula है. हामीसँग अरु फर्मुला पनि बन्छ तर नबनाउनु. Use the same formula for all. So that it will be easy for you. But याद गर्नु त याद इजी हुन्छ त. धेरैवटा फर्मुला भयो भने तिमीहरु नै कन्फ्युज हुन्छ. So remember one formula. जो चाहिँ पक्का याद होस्. Okay, so P1 equals to P0 1 plus R by 100 power T. Why plus? Because it is population. Population बढ्छ means plus. Depreciation भनेको घट्छ means minus. Okay, so P0 is 10,000. 1 plus rate is 5 divided by 100 power T. T means 3 years. Time is 3 years. So take the LCM. 100 will be the LCM. I think you know it how to do. Okay, ask the compound interest compound one chapter. Same thing we have done it. So LCM it will be 100 plus 5 divided by 100. Okay, so 105 divided by 100 power 3. Once look at the screen. Okay, so this will be 105 divided by 100 is 1.05 divided by this power 3. Okay, so 10,000. So 10,000 like power. So power 1.05 for power 3. It is going to be this one. And remember, so these chapters, compound interest, compound amount, population, depreciation, your decimal software level during calculation. Last two answer during calculation. Okay, so during calculation write down all the numbers. जतिसुकै होस् 8 वटा होस् 20 वटा होस् जति होस् write down all the numbers into 10,000. That is going to be this much. And your population. Okay, so population भनेपछि 0.25 हुन्छ त. आज मैले 2.5 जना मान्छेलाई भेटे हुन्छ
हुँदैन
population should be always in the whole number 3 जना 3 जना 4 जना 5.5 जनालाई बोलाए त हुन्छ त्यस्तो हुँदैन ओके सो अलवेज whenever there is point डेसिमलमा छ भने के गर्ने एक नम्बर थपिदिने बुझ्यो 0.25 भने कि एउटा टाउको कि एउटा हात हो मान्छे हो नि त यिनीहरू त पपुलेसन people will not be in the point so के गर्ने त डेसिमलमा त आयो क्याल्कुलेसनमा बट वाट यु हेभ टु डु +1 थपिदिने ओके सो 11576 +1 डेसिमल पछाडि है +1 गर्ने त कति हुन्छ 76 को ठाउँमा 77 लेखिदिने ओके डु नट राइट अन द point is that okay okay so please wait okay problem any question any number any sentence any line is there any problem okay I've written all those sentences so that you can do it yourself so first of all it is given p0 something is blocking this one okay so p0 equals to same question okay so p0 equals to 110,000 rate is 5% per annum time is 3 years p1 निकाला हरे okay the question is almost same है यो कुन च्याप्टर को छुटाउनु कहिले काहीँ गाह्रो हुन्छ okay so यो कुन च्याप्टर हो त because all the givens will be same यो कुन च्याप्टर हो depreciation हो कतै दिएको हुन्छ depreciated rate depreciation rate okay population growth something will be given if population growth भनेको population chapter को plus गर्ने if depreciation is given then do what minus okay now so if like this is given so what is the formula of p1 in case of depreciation p1 equals to what
p0 bracket
p0 bracket
1 minus
1 minus
1 minus r divided by 100
r by 100 power
R 100 power t
power t
time
okay,
t
great. Okay, Abhishek, maybe you are suffering from corona.
1.1
Okay, so to find out the rate, we are using this formula. Divide garyo, so then you have found this one. Then the 1.331 at the something power sir. So J का power sir, यार इसके power निकालने. So cube root निकालने इसको. 1.331. What is the cube root of this number? It will be 1.1 cube. Use your calculator, you will get 1.1 cube. Okay, let me zoom this little bit. Then after that, this cube and this cube will be cancelled. Okay, power will be cancelled. Then 1.1 equals to 100 plus r by 100. Then any cube to cut here, right? So power has been cancelled in both the sides. Now divide will go this side first. So divide will go into in this side to become multiply. So into 100. So 1.1 into 100 is going to be 110. 110 okay. It is going to be 110. Now, so 100 plus r at the bike is 100 plus r. When plus both is will be minus. So 110 minus 100, it is going to be 10% per annum. एक line skip करेछु. Okay, so 100 1.1 into 100, it is going to be 110 equals to 100 plus r यसरी पनि हुन्छ है. That also you can do. And then by skipping, we can directly take this 100 this side. It will be minus 110 minus 100. That means it is going to be 10% per annum. So simply we can get the value of r also. The rate. Any problem?
No problem.
I'm not listening. Please speak loudly. Any problem? Okay, so I think we have around 15 minutes left. Just to quickly. So in the examination, P1, P0, it is not separated. You need to separate yourself. P1 kuno, P0 kuno. So just before I have given you the idea, okay. So already the idea के देखो छु भन्दाखेरि population मा कुन ठुलो हुन्छ, P1 is going to be bigger or P0 is going to be bigger. Population पछाडी चाहिँ धेरै हुन्छ कि अगाडि चाहिँ धेरै हुन्छ. 2 वर्ष अगाडि धेरै चाहिँ हुन्छ कि 2 वर्ष पछाडी चाहिँ धेरै हुन्छ. Population is going to be bigger when? After 2 years or before 2 years?
After 2 years.
After 2 years. That means it is P0 or P1?
P1.
P1. So P1 is greater. So just if in the examination, if this is only given 66550 50,000, तिमीलाई छुट्याउनै आएन अरे. Okay. In sentence, clearly it will be given which one is P0, which one is P1. Okay. So त्यो sentence चाहिँ बुझ्नु पर्ने हुन्छ तिमीहरूले. But if by chance, okay, अर्कै सेन्टेन्समा आउँछ तिमीले बुझेन कुन चाहिँ P0 कुन चाहिँ P1 बुझ्नु गाह्रो भने. So first of all, see which chapter is it? It is population chapter. Population chapter मा which is going to be bigger? P1 is going to be bigger. P1 भनेको ठुलो हुन्छ. So ठुलो नम्बरलाई P1 लेख्ने, सानो नम्बरलाई P0 लेख्ने सिम्पल. Okay. But in depreciation chapter, okay, so यसरी नै दिएको छ, ट्याकल गरेर दिएको छ. Okay, so यसरी नै घुमाउरो तरिकाले क्वेशन दिएको छ. Only the amount is given 50,000 or 36,450 दिएको छ. So which one is P0, which one is P1? Okay, so you need to again use your logic that depreciation ma your price is going to decrease. Always remember Utsav bike. Okay, Utsav को युवल को जुन गाडी छ बाइक थियो उसको प्राइस 2 वर्ष पछाडी वर्षै घट्छ. वर्ष बन्यो भने ठुलो प्राइस लेख्दिने, घट्छ भन्दैछ भने P1 सानो लेख्दिने. So after 2 years, it is going to be bigger amount or less small amount?
Small amount.
Small amount. That means P1 is going to be smaller. So P1 सानो हुन्छ. Okay. Depreciation मा P1 सानो, P0 ठुलो. Okay. In that way we can remember. So यसरी given सीधा दिएको हुँदैन है. तिमीले चाहिँ बुझ्नु पर्ने हुन्छ कुन P0 कुन P1 भनेर. P1 सानो हुन्छ, P0 ठुलो हुन्छ. Okay. Okay, so let us start the same procedure. So P1 equals to P0 bracket 1 minus, why we are using minus? Because it is depreciation. Price is getting decreased. Price got minus. So minus R by 100 power T. So first of all, take it in the divide sign, then take the LCM over here, power cube. Then after that, divide this number 0.729. Right? So if I cube, sir. Cube, sir. That means ये like कुन root निकालने वाला?
Cube.
कुन root? Square root.
Cube root.
Cube root. Why cube root? Because there is 3. If there is 4, then यता हामीले root 4 निकाल्नु पर्छ. If there is 5, root 5 निकाल्ने. यहाँ जे छ त्यही निकाल्ने. पावर जुन छ त्यहीसँग चल्ने हामी. ओके. So ये हामीले त 3 3 3 भनेर पढाएको थियो. म पनि 3 नै गर्दैछु हैन है. So here is 3, that's why we are writing 3 over here. Okay. Then get the same number. So find out the cube root of this number. You will get 0.9. Okay? So cube and cube will be cancelled. Then after cancelling this cube and cube, so after it will go this side, will be multiplying. So it will be 90 equals to 100 minus r. So minus r, the minus muscle. So minus r, take it this side, it will be plus r. Minus the log plus 90 the log minus. So 100 minus 90 is going to be 10% per annum. Okay, in this way we are going to complete our depreciation topic also.
Sir.
Yep.
Sir.